Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. I want to take a quick second and say thank you to all the channel members. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I want to say thank you to all you guys who come in and check out my knife, my EDC content. I really appreciate it. If you're still inclined and you hadn't had a chance yet, if you hit that subscribe button down there and that bell notification icon, it really helps me out. So today is an exciting unboxing that was sent to me to check out, and then I'm sending it back because this is a knife that was designed by a gentleman here in the States, and it was handmade or custom made by a maker in Canada. When I do the actual review, I will have you more information. I've talked about the company is Lucky Dog Knives. The maker, Andrew, is the owner and the designer at Lucky Dog Knives here in America. In, I think, Iowa, maybe? I could be wrong. But in either case, the gentleman in Canada has been making custom knives for a while. And instead of going the production route on this little knife, he wanted to have someone hand make it. So this is either going to be a Lucky Dog Guard Dog or a Lucky Dog Ranch Dog. There are two styles. I've shown them to you guys if you've been on the live streams. If not, they are really, really sweet, small EDC fixed blades, which are my jam. I'm trying really carefully to open this wackadoodle paper without scratching that box. And I was successful. Alright. So, Lucky Dog Knives. I had not heard of them. I was not that aware of them. When Andrew reached out to me, I went to the website. I was more than happy to, and I read the story and looked in, because I went to the Instagram page of the maker of this knife, and it is definitely awesome. So, can I open these without ripping them, or I'm going to have to rip them? Let's see. That one came up. Let's see if I can get this one to come up. Look at that. Me and my sleuthy ways. Alright, guys. So this is going to be a small, this is the Wenge handle. Wow. Lucky Dog Knives. I am going to steal some of these stickers. David Mary Customs. That's the gentleman who is making these for Lucky Dog. Get the swag out of here. And then when I open this, I will know, because there are two blade styles, several different handle materials still available. There were 19 of these made. There are probably 9 or 10 left in both styles, but in different handle materials. So this is Kydex sheath with a discreet carry clip. David Mary Customs partnered with Andrew to make these Lucky Dog knives. And what this is going to be, great retention. Oh, this is the RanchDog. This is the one that I had asked for if it was available. The RanchDog is this little Spey blade style blade. God, I love this knife. And the Guard Dog is kind of a real slight hawkbill type blade. I will oil this up, Andrew, before I send it back. This is 3V, hand ground, super sharp. This is just an unboxing, guys. Wenge, I think this is Wenge, and I'll get you the wood, because these are two different types of wood. This is a wood we used to use when we made outdoor furniture. It's not Ipe, but in a cabinet shop I used to do marketing for, and I think this is Wenge. You've got brass pin. You've got this beautiful beautiful 3V blade with jimping in 2 areas. I love the shape of the blade. Guys, this is a small but comfortable little 4-finger knife. Andrew, I love, love, love this little blade. It is so sexy. And a therapeutic slicer, guys. You know what that leads to. That leads to me just doing a lot of cutting. Fantastic sharpening choil. Look how even that plunge grind is at the back. I don't know if you can see because of my lighting that hand satin or the beauty of that Wenge and God, Tippy, maybe Tippy, I forget what. I'll know what this is when I do the review, because I'm going to carry this for a few days. I'm not going to hard use it. However, I've got all the specs on what the HRC is. If I happen to buy one of these, which I don't think I'll be able to right now, when I buy one of these though, because I hope they do more runs, this is the perfect Javon size knife, made in Canada, designed in the USA. David Mary Customs. Check him out on Instagram, and that'll show you everything about ergonomics, geometry, and performance. This little knife is absolutely ergonomical. This little swell, or this little, I guess you'd call it a indention right here, is just so great for keeping your hand right where it needs to be. This jimping is very, very acute, not too sharp to be uncomfortable, but sharp enough to grab your thumb to where it's not sliding at all. And I can't stress enough this way that this blade is shaped. I love the little Spey front. It is razor sharp all the way through the cut. Any cutting error seen on this is a result of me cutting badly. But I would think that this would be a great little hiking knife, little day knife, little EDC knife, whether you're living in an urban or rural type environment. I am a huge, huge fan of this so far, just by looking at the look, the build quality, the beauty, and the evenness of the grind on that blade, the sliciness that you guys witnessed. I love a deep concealment carry clip, even though they're frustrating to get out because they grip your pocket so well. The sheath is Kydex with amazing retention. I was just showing you that little indentation. That's where your retention is caught up. Lucky Dog, stay sharp, stay lucky. The RanchDog CPM 3V, 60 HRC, flat grind, blade length 2.6, blade thickness 0.12, overall length 5.9, designer Andrew Kidd, USA, and then maker David Mary Customs. Guys, I hope you found this an interesting unboxing. I know I've been excited for it to come. I do look forward to carrying it, giving it a little light use, mainly just talking about how I could picture it fitting into my day, knowing that it's right in the line with exactly what I love, and it seems to be done so well. I look forward to spending a little time with it. Guys, thank you, thank you, thank you for watching. Please do me a favor, thumbs up it if you'd like to, and please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.